VEVOR asked me to take a look at this product and make this short video. So let's take it out of the box and check it out. First thing you see is with this rotary hammer drill, you're going to get a nice carrying case with it. And it comes here with latches on the top. And you flip that open and there's your hammer drill. So this is a rotary and just a regular hammering drill, like a jackhammer. That's what it behaves like. Very cool. The case is fit for it. It comes with a battery, 4 amp hour, 20 volt system. You'll notice this looks strikingly familiar to the Makita style of batteries. It's very similar. I'll just leave it at that. They give you a charger too. This is a charger for charging up the battery. Simply plug that in the wall. Also has a spot in the case. And then you've got room for 2 more batteries to store those with it as well. As well as the machine, you're going to get a bunch of bits. So that's pretty nice. You're going to get this pointed one here. It's got a very sharp point on the end. It's going to be able to break into rock and other things quite nicely. You can get a flathead chisel, and you're going to get some masonry style bits of different sizes. They all have that same connecting style that fits into this chuck. This is a standard, so you can get a lot of different bits that'll work with this. These fit in very nicely into the machine. All you got to do is just pop it in. And it's going to lock into place and you're ready to go. To remove it, the chuck's spring loaded. Just going to pull this back to expose the end there, and it just pops out. So it works real nice like that. Back in. Using the device, you've got a handle here. If you twist it, you release the tension. There's a friction mount here. Get it into the position that you like, that you feel is comfortable, and then tighten it back down. And now that's not going to move. You're going to have a nice strong grip on the machine. Operating the machine, it's very easy. You've got 3 modes here. You've got a drill. It's just going to rotate smoothly. Notice how it builds up pressure, builds up tension, lots of torque in this machine. Reversing is the same here as most drills, just going to flick this and it's going to go back. And you're going to put it to the center and it locks the trigger. Now to go into a hammering mode, if I was going to put this into masonry, I would use the turning of the drill plus the hammering. It's going to give you that forward and back slight hammering, make that vibration, so that as it's starting to knock out that rock and clean it out with the drill, it's going to get easy to penetrate. So you'll see how that bumps around forward and back there. So it's very much bouncing back and forth. You can feel it in your hands. And now they've got a mode over here as well, and these all lock into place and the little button pops out like that. When it's in hammer mode only, that's when I'd be using chisel or one of these other provided bits. Because it's not going to turn, I'm just going to put it where I need to make my impression, and then I'm going to be able to hammer straight back and forth. Which on the video, you probably can't see that moving as much because it's going very, very fast, and it's very small amounts that just kind of hammers away at the chisel tip. And now if I needed to orient this into another spot, I can move it to the center here, and now it allows me to spin it. So that's what this mode here is for. It's really not a mode. It's just for you to align your chisel perhaps, get it right where you want it, and then now lock it in place. And now I can go work on my... So that's the overview. That's everything that this unit does. It's pretty beefy. It's got a lot of torque. This is a brushless system, which is good. It's not going to wear out carbon brushes that you have to replace inside. It even shows you for the different types of materials what type of bit you might want to use. You know, these SDS-Plus, those are the types of connectors. So you got hole saws. You can use it on concrete. You can use it on brick, on steel, even on wood. So lots of options here for how you can use it. It's a really well-made rotary hammer, and it's something I'm going to use a lot in the shop. Hope that helps. Have a great day.